Hello everyone, let's check out the second part of this chapter, life in the region. Parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are covered by the two coastal plains. Gujarat. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. Near the city is located the Sabarmati Ashram that was the house of Gandhiji for many years. Gandhinagar is the capital city. Most of the people here are traders or farmers. Farmers grow jowar, bajra, wheat, sugarcane and cotton. Gujarat is popular all over the world for its dairy products. Anand is called the milk city of India. Amul. Amul's full form is Anand Milk Union Limited. A well-known brand of dairy products is also based here. Ahmedabad is the largest city and a famous textile center. The Gir National Park is also situated here. It is home to Asiatic lion. Gujarati is the language spoken here. Men wear dhoti, kurta and coats. They also wear turbans or caps. Women wear sari, lehenga and choli. Garba is a popular folk dance of this state. Dear students, this is a picture of Asiatic lion, the Asiatic lion, okay. Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital city. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is also called a commercial and entertainment capital of India. It is situated on the Konkan coast. It has the largest sea port of India. Petroleum is found in Bombay High, a seabed near Mumbai. Mahalakshmi Temple and Haji Ali are two places of religious importance. There are many beaches in Mumbai. It is also known as the city of dreams because of Bollywood. Dear students, this is a picture of Bay of Bombay High. Next, Goa. Goa lies to the south of Maharashtra. Panaji is the capital city. People of Goa are either farmers or fishermen. Farmers here grow rice, coconut, mangoes and cashew. Cashew means kaju, okay. Dear students, this is the picture of Fort Aguda in Goa. Fort Aguda, beautiful beaches and churches are places of tourist interest. Mando is famous folk dance of this state. Karnataka. The coastal areas of Karnataka are covered with thick forests. Bangalore is the capital city of this state. Spices and coconuts are grown here mainly. Mangalore or Mangaluru is an important seaport. Tea and coffee plantations are located on the hill slopes of Karnataka. Kerala. Kerala is also called God's own country. It is a beautiful state. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of Kerala. Rice is the main crop and the other crops grown here are coconut, rubber, coffee, coca and spices. It is also called the land of coconuts. Dear students, this is the picture of coconut trees of Kerala. The coconut tree is called the tree of wealth since all its parts are useful. The core from the coconut shell is used to make ropes, carpets, mats and mattresses. Malayalam and English are the main languages spoken here. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the famous classical dance forms of this state. Onam is an important festival. The snake boat race is held during Onam. Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India. Kochi is one of the largest ports in India. West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. The main crops grown here are jute and rice. Many jute and textile mills are situated here. Durga Puja is the most popular festival in West Bengal. Dear students, this is a picture of Durga Puja. Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital city of Odisha. This state is famous for temples. The Sun Temple at Konark and Jagannath Temple at Puri are famous all over the world. The state is also popular for its handicrafts. Chilika Lake, the largest salt water lake in Asia, is a major tourist attraction. Dear students, this is the picture of the Chilika Lake. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital city of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Rice is grown here in abundance. Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh is an important seaport. It has a shipbuilding yard, an iron and steel plant, and also an oil refinery. Dear students, this is a picture of Visakhapatnam port. Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is seaport, an artificial harbour. The southernmost tip of Kanyakumari is in Tamil Nadu. It is surrounded by the three seas, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Chennai is famous for its silk sarees. Marina Beach is the longest beach in India, which attracts tourists from all over the world. Rice is the main crop of Tamil Nadu. It is also called the rice bowl of India. Pondicherry is a union territory. It lies towards the south of Chennai. It was at one time a French colony. Aurobindo Ashram attracts a large number of foreigners, especially French. Dear students, this is a picture of Marina Beach is the longest beach in India. Now let's check out the filling the blanks. First, Anand is the milk capital of India. Second number, Mumbai is also known as the city of dreams. Third number, Mando is a folk dance of Goa. Dear students, here we have completed our whole chapter. In the next video, we are going to check out the exercise of this chapter. Okay, thank you.